landing. So now for the plane definition 2, we're going to have the 1 and 2 is going to be also on the landing, which is going to be minus 1500 and 1500. Let's just go to plane definition 2 and select it. Then we have the 1 and 2, which is 1 and 2 to be 1500. Then we have the 3. We are going to leave the 3 just the way it is because the 3 is actually landing on the slab. So we're going to leave the 3 at whatever value it is right now. So but we are going to take the 1 and 2 and move it down, and we are going to set the values to minus 1500, and then we go here and set to minus 1500 also. So and we update. And once you do that, you see that z still remains 0, while the z of this is 1500 minus 1500, and the z of this is also minus 1500. So now we go to the P3. So the P3, we have the 1 and 2 to be on minus 1500. Everything in P3 is going to be minus 1500 because it is the landing, and you know that the landing is actually steps down to minus 1500. So we're going to make everything here to be minus 1500, and then update. So now you have all our plane definitions well defined, and what we need to do now is we need to set the members to plane definitions. And in order to do that, you can just go to your plane definition, click on it, you go to move members to plane, and you press yes. So let's go to 3D to check again, and you can see that it's now properly done. The first point that you are bringing down are supposed to be your 1 and 2, while this secondary point that you are leaving at a different height up is supposed to be just your 3 and then your 0.4. But usually, because you have the luxury to only edit 1, 2, 3, so you need to designate the first 2 points for the part that you are bringing down. Now we need to go to our members to adjust the members. So we need to remove all these members from the plane definition because we want them to remain what they have. So we set plane definition for this. We also reset plane definition for this, and reset plane definition for this also, and this also, yes, and this also, yes. So now let's go to this and also work on the plane definition. Let's go to plan. So now we have 1515. So this one now is not going to give us a problem because that's 1 and 2. When we remove plane definition to member, you see that it's not going to give us problem, and you can see that it doesn't give us any problem because we already set 1 and 2 to the part that is inclined and leave this other part that is not really as much inclined to be here.